The company's name is dynaCERT. We are a carbon emission reduction technology. We are a technology that produces pure hydrogen and pure oxygen on demand and feeds it to the intake of an internal combustion engine to enhance the burn. By doing that, we improve the fuel economy on average 10 to 15%, and we, more importantly, reduce the emissions north of 50% clear across the board. It's been proven that we reduce the NOx, one of the most deadly gases, by up to 88%. I would say in 2019, some of the most important things that happened, we received the worldwide patents on our technology, or one of the most important patents is the means and methods of monitoring and monetizing carbon credits. The company has gone through exponential growth with our dealer network globally. We've opened offices in Germany. We've also attracted some very significant investors like Eric Sprott, whom just recently invested $15 million, along with Dr. Jörg Mosolf from the Mosolf Group in Germany. Certainly in 2020, one of the most important things is the growth of the company. We're expanding globally, continuously, marketing our product. To be recognized as a Venture 50 winner for dynaCERT, I think that's huge. I think that is a strong verification or validation of what the company is and what we're doing today.